Okay, I wanted to show you how I easily made this paper journal or using cardstock with the top, which is the cover, and then just easily taking your write the scripture page and your thoughts and note page. I am going to do an example 7-day, 1 week to see what it will look like. And I'm just gathering all of my lined pages up, and then I also have my 1 month example plan with the scriptures, and that's going to go on top of the lines, and then I will put whichever one you choose for the first month. And this is the rose picture that I took just outside of where I live in Korea, and I also printed off a few of the other covers, including the black and white one if you don't want to use your color on your printer. And then what I simply am going to do is add holes, a 3-hole punch to each of these. And this, I will say, these pages are printed out on A4 paper, and the actual PDF that is downloaded is the 8.5 by 11, which is the US letter size. So the edges on this one are going to look a little bit different. I think that's too thick, so let's do it half. And when you're done cutting everything out and punching the holes, you'll have your journal, and you can put it into a binder, or you can just simply put brass brads in here, or you can use a binder that has, maybe I can use this one and put the top. Sometimes the binders will come with a clear protective on the front. You can use that as your cover, and then simply either use the protective pages for the very first one, which is your example plan. If you have other scripture, monthly scripture plans, you can put in the protective pages, and then behind those you can simply add in your lined paper. But for now, I'm just going to use my cardstock, which is the first one, the cover, and I printed off that. And I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead and just use the holes and put it into a binder. And here you have all of your pages. Have a blessed day.